thunderstorm warning for Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, southeastern Clark County, eastern Greene County, southern Madison County until 8:45 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near London to near Jamestown, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Cedarville, Sabina, Jamestown, Washington, Mount Sterling, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, Bloomingburg, Wilberforce, New Jasper, South Solon, Midway, Bowersville, Port William, Milledgeville, Octa, Gladstone, Jasper Mills, and Bell Center. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 53 and 85. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the official national